Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we're going to be using the Sheepish Moments stamp and No Fuss masks. We're also using this Slimline die that is a Slimline birthday scallop die, and then we're going to be using its cloudy stencil and the chippy paint background stamp. So first off, I'm going to be stamping the sheep and the raft, and this is 110-pound cardstock from Nina, and I'm using Memento black ink, and I'm going to be stamping my second sheep, but then I'm going to grab my well-loved No Fuss mask here, and I'm just going to place it on there. And I've been using them a lot, trying to use them and figure out what style of card I wanted to make. So I thought I would just use all the 3 masks here, and I love that this set gives you so many masks and it's really inexpensive. So I'm really gonna have to get some more for my stamps because it helps with making backgrounds, and you can just cover up your images and it's easy, like it says, no fuss. So you don't have to do all that fussy cutting around your masking paper or post-it paper. So I'm just going to be checking to see if I like how it's going so far. And I think it looks good. So I'm going to put my masks back on, and I did rip the foot on my second mask here because I am a little rough, but that's okay. It still works. And so now I'm using the It's Cloudy stencil with my blending brush from Whimsy Stamps and some pink ink. I thought it would be fun to do a pink and aqua background, and so I just turned my stencil around and getting a little bit more pink ink on there. And I am being a little rough. I am a rough crafter. And next I'm going to be inking up the chippy paint background stamp with some aqua colored ink, and that is going to take the place of my water. And I love that this raft image gives you some water lines as well. I am going to color around those with some BG markers. And it's not perfect, my stamping here, but that's okay because water isn't perfect. And so I do like how it comes out. I do like this background stamp, and I just stamped it a few times, and I even made a mess to the left there. And okay, so next I'm going to be taking off my masks, and I'm going to use some scissors to help me get those off so I can put them back so that I can use them again. I like that they're reusable. As you can see, they're well loved and I love them. And this stamp set has really cute images. I used one for Whimsy Stamps Instagram hop, and I used the sheep with the balloon, which was super cute. So here are some of the Copic markers that I'm using. And I'm going to color the first raft with a aqua color combo. Just very simply, mostly two colors that I'm using. I think the last raft made it a little easier because I masked it, so it was very simple to color. And it would be even cute if you don't color the sheep and just put some pink cheeks. So that's another simple way. I do color them, but very simply. And that's what I love about this card. It was very easy. And that is my mauve color combo. And then I'm going to be doing my last raft with a blue violet color. And then I'm going to be coloring in the water, and I will share what markers. I will also have these markers listed in the details as well. And I think they look so cute, and so those are what I used. So next I am coloring in the sheep. And I loved making a Slimline card. It had, maybe it hadn't been too long, but I love making Slimline cards, so I love that Whimsy Stamps has some cute Slimline dies. And I've had this one for quite a while, so I am glad it's not retired. And I just did like a circle motion for the sheep to give it a little bit of texture. And just coloring its feet. And then here is where I add some pink for the cheeks, and then I do add the pink in the ears as well. And it's time to cut it out with the large scallop die here. And I love that it cuts out the inner portion as well. So if you want to do like pattern paper, that would be cute too, for that outside scallop. Next I'm going to stamp my sentiment, and I'm going to put that cute pun that says, "Where there's a wool, there's a way." And I think it looks cute because these sheep are all together and they can't really get too far because they're in each other's way, but somehow they will get to their destination. Hopefully they're just enjoying the scenery. And so, and next I'm going to be adding some foam to the back of that inner portion. And I am going to add everything to a Slimline card base, and my Slimline is 8.5 by 3.5, so that's my card base there. And I'm going to be adding some sequins from This Calls for Confetti with Mermazing, and then I'm going to add some white gel accents. And so that finishes my card. I hope you like it. I had so much fun making it. Thank you for joining me today, and I will share a close-up in just a second. And there we go.